Carrots weren't always orange. Originally, carrots were purple or white. The orange ones we know today were cultivated by the Dutch in honor of the House of Orange. Broccoli is a flower. Broccoli, if not harvested, will bloom into small yellow flowers. Peppers have genders. Bell peppers with 3 or 4 lobes are female, while those with fewer lobes are male. Cabbage has over 400 varieties, from the common green cabbage to the red, Savoy, and Napa varieties. Cabbage comes in many forms. The world's largest vegetable is a pumpkin. The heaviest pumpkin ever grown weighed over 2,600 pounds, 179 kilograms. Spinach is high in iron, although not as high as once thought due to a misplaced decimal in a study. Spinach is still a good source of iron. Tomatoes were feared. When introduced to Europe, tomatoes were thought to be poisonous because they belong to the nightshade family. Corn is in almost everything. Corn is used not only as a vegetable but also as a sweetener, fuel, and in the production of plastics and adhesives. Asparagus grows incredibly fast. Under ideal conditions, asparagus can grow 10 inches, 25 centimeters in a single day. Cucumbers are fruits. Botanically speaking, cucumbers are fruits because they develop from the flower of the cucumber plant and contain seeds. The world's hottest pepper. The Carolina Reaper holds the Guinness World Record for the hottest chili pepper, reaching over 2.2 million Scoville heat units. Potatoes were the first vegetables grown in space. In 1996, potato plants were grown in space aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia. Onions can make you cry. When you cut an onion, it releases a compound that reacts with your eyes, causing tears. Eggplants come in various shapes and colors. From the typical purple variety to white, green, and even striped eggplants have diverse appearances. Radishes were used as medicine. In ancient civilizations like Egypt, radishes were believed to have medicinal properties and were used to treat various ailments. Please like and subscribe for more fun facts.